Want to quickly check whether your computer can reach another device or website? The ping command is one of the simplest and most useful networking tools in command prompt. In this guide, I'll show you how ping works, how to test your internet connection, and a few options that make it even more useful. Let's get started. First, open command prompt and type ping, followed by a hostname or IP address. For example, type pingexample.com and press enter. Windows sends several requests and displays the replies, including the response time. If you receive replies, your computer can reach that destination. You can also test a public IP address directly. Try ping 1.1.1.1. If you receive replies here, your computer can reach that public address. This is useful for separating basic internet connectivity problems from DNS problems. Keep in mind that some servers block ping, so no reply doesn't always mean the internet is down. To test your local network, ping your router's default gateway. First, run ipconfig and find the default gateway under your active adapter. Then type ping followed by that address. If the router responds, your computer is communicating with your local network correctly. By default, Windows sends a limited number of ping requests. If you want continuous testing, use the -t option. For example, ping 1.1.1.1-t keeps sending requests until you stop it. Press Ctrl and C to stop the test and display a summary. This is handy for watching an unstable connection. You can also choose exactly how many requests to send. Use the -n option followed by a number. For example, ping 1.1.1.1-n10 sends 10 requests and then stops automatically. This is useful when you want a quick, repeatable connection test without running ping continuously. At the end, check the ping statistics. You'll see packets sent, received, and lost, along with minimum, maximum, and average response times. Lower response times generally mean a faster response from the destination, while packet loss can indicate connectivity problems. But yeah, always consider the network and destination you're testing. And that's how to use ping in CMD. Start by testing your router, then a public IP, and finally a domain name if you want to check DNS as well. Remember, ping is a diagnostic tool, not a complete internet speed test, so use it to find connection problems quickly and understand what's happening on your network.